Welcome to 10 Minutes Travel. Today, we're counting down our picks for the 10 top-rated tourist attractions in Guatemala. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to 10 Minutes Travel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest video. For this list, we're looking at the spots that have made Guatemala a go-to North American destination for honeymooners' families and worldly travelers. Guatemala is a rare gem that offers a variety of travel options to satisfy adventurers, culture enthusiasts, beach lovers, and those seeking relaxation. The country is a cultural hub in Central America, with colonial architecture and cobbled streets in Antigua Guatemala and Mayan ruins in Tikal. In small towns in the highlands and near Lake Atitlan, travelers can experience unique cultures. Nature lovers will be drawn to tropical jungles, active volcanoes, mountain lakes, cloud forests, coral reefs, and beaches. Those seeking solitude can find it on the peaceful beaches, while markets selling local goods, especially textiles, operate only on certain days of the week. Our list of top tourist attractions in Guatemala will help you discover the best places to visit in this stunning country. Number 10. Mayan ruins of Tikal, situated in the damp jungle of northern Guatemala, close to the border of Belize, stands one of the most remarkable archaeological sites in Central America. Tikal, the well-preserved ruined city, is a perfect destination to discover Mayan culture while visiting Guatemala. From the 6th century BC to the 9th century AD, Tikal was inhabited and boasts over 3,000 structures, including pyramids, temples, plazas, and an acropolis. For more than a millennium, it was one of the most significant urban Mayan centers and is now one of the most extensive Mayan archaeological sites still in existence. The experience of exploring Tikal is magnified by its surroundings. Above the lush green canopy of the jungle, steep pyramids tower, and the area is teeming with birds, monkeys, and other animals. Tikal National Park, which encompasses the ruins, is a biosphere reserve and is responsible for preserving the rainforest and wildlife habitat. Tikal is known for its abundant monkey population. Spider monkeys are a common sight, and even if you don't spot the howler monkeys, you'll likely hear their distinctive calls. Number 9. Antigua Guatemala. If you're planning to settle down in a city for a while, Antigua Guatemala is the perfect destination. This charming city in Central America offers a variety of attractions to its visitors, including affordable high-quality hotels, trendy restaurants that serve delicious food, and many fun activities to indulge in. Antigua, also known as Antigua Guatemala, is renowned for its stunning beauty, surrounded by 3 volcanoes. The city's colonial architecture, which has remained intact despite its history of earthquakes, is a sight to behold. The cobblestone streets are lined with historic buildings, including churches and convents, that have stood the test of time. Although some buildings have undergone a full restoration, there are still others that display cracks resulting from previous earthquakes or have been destroyed beyond repair. However, these ruins have been transformed in imaginative ways and integrated into newer constructions, including hotels. Besides, the city boasts fascinating museums and ancient convents that are accessible to tourists. Number 8. Lake Atitlan. Lake Atitlan is often referred to as one of the world's most beautiful lakes and is a popular destination for travelers who enjoy spending time exploring small towns and villages located around the lake. The lake is situated in the highlands, less than a 2-hour drive from Guatemala City and less than an hour and a half from Antigua. It is nestled in a volcanic crater that is 1,538 meters above sea level and is surrounded by hills and volcanoes. To reach many of the villages on the shores, one must travel by boat. The city of Panajachel is the main entry point, where visitors can explore the busy main street filled with vendors selling blankets and other goods before heading to the waterfront to catch a water taxi. Passenger boats queue up at this location to ferry travelers to various villages, including San Pedro, Santiago Atitlán, San Andrés Semetabaj, Santa Catarina Palopo, San Lucas Tolaman, and other smaller villages or private hotels. Each village boasts its unique characteristics, but most have local markets and crafts. Many expatriates with an interest in alternative lifestyles have been attracted to Atitlán over the years. Spiritual or New Age centers offer a range of activities from yoga to metaphysical pursuits. Affordable Spanish schools are also available for those considering learning the language. The water levels of Lake Atitlan have puzzled scientists for years. They can rise unexpectedly and then inexplicably drop. Several theories exist, but none of them can fully explain the phenomenon. During high water levels, makeshift docks and homes may be submerged. Nevertheless, the water is transparent and generally warm enough for swimming throughout the year. Number 7. Chichicastenango Market. The town of Chichicastenango, also known as Chichi, is a sizable settlement surrounded by valleys and mountains, with no access to other areas. The streets of this town are usually calm, but on Thursdays and Sundays they become lively because of the large and chaotic market that takes place there. This market is primarily for the locals, where they can buy everyday items like vegetables and textiles, which is why it is famous. The market attracts vendors from miles around, making it a perfect place for photography and people watching. One can easily reach Chichicastenango by taking a 1.5-hour bus ride from Panajachel, while it takes approximately 2.5 hours from Guatemala City and 3.5 hours from Antigua. Number 6. Quetzaltenango. The second largest city in Guatemala is known as the commercial hub of the southwestern region. Commonly referred to as Zela, the main attractions in the city are the Parque Centro America and the neoclassical buildings surrounding it, which were built during the 19th century, when Zela was a major center for trade and art. The city is a popular destination for those interested in studying Spanish and hiking in the nearby mountains, including the highest peak in Central America, Volcan Tajumulco. Quetzaltenango is relatively safe and clean, with warm days, cool nights, and fewer mosquitoes due to its altitude of 2,333 meters. The city is also a great starting point for exploring nearby villages known for their hot springs and handicrafts. Number 5. Pacaya Volcano, Antigua, located near Antigua. The Pacaya Volcano is over 2,550 meters high and provides a unique opportunity to witness volcanic activity up close. It has been active since 1975, and its appearance is constantly changing due to frequent lava explosions. Visitors can opt for guided hikes on the volcano through organized tours, and even roast marshmallows over hotspots. However, it is important to keep in mind that hiking on an active volcano comes with inherent risks. For those who prefer an easier ascent, horses are available. Number 4. Semuc Champey. Although accessing this beautiful location deep in the jungle may require some effort, it is definitely worth it. The river contains natural pools, created by a 300-meter limestone shelf, which offer an ideal spot for a refreshing swim. The water in these pools is a stunning green or turquoise color, and the area is surrounded by a dense forest full of wildlife. To visit this spot, tours can be arranged from Lanquin, with access available through a 2.5-kilometer hike or a bumpy 4-mile drive ride. Number 3. Livingston on the Caribbean coast. Nestled in the midst of coconut groves in the jungles of Guatemala's Caribbean coast, lies a charming small town of colorful wooden houses. Livingston is home to the Garifuna people, who are the descendants of runaway slaves, and the indigenous Maya. They have established their unique culture and language, which is reflected in the town's Caribbean vibe. The town is alive with Caribbean rhythms, especially during the Garifuna pilgrimage in May and the celebrations of Easter week and the feast day of the Virgin of Guadalupe on December 12th. Livingston is also known as the starting point for boat rides on Rio Quehueche and Rio Cocoli, as well as to the Cayo Zapodillas for fishing and snorkeling. The town's best beaches are just a short taxi ride away. Number 2, Grutas de Lanquin, located in the northeastern region of Coban. The Lanquin Caves are notable for their deep limestone caverns that house an underground river, several lagoons, and distinctive rock formations. Visitors can explore a part of the cave, which has uneven pathways and dim lighting. The caves also serve as a habitat for thousands of bats, which offer a fascinating sight when they swarm out of the cave every evening to forage in the nearby woodland. If you wish to witness this exceptional spectacle, make sure to take a tour of the cave in the late afternoon and stay until dusk. Furthermore, the caves hold a religious shrine and are considered sacred by the local indigenous community. Number 1. Mayan ruins of Iximche. In case you're on a tight budget or schedule while exploring Antigua and cannot make it to the Tikal Mayan ruins, Iximche can be a good alternative, located just an hour away. Although smaller than Tikal, these ruins, built around 1470, are still quite impressive for a first-time visitor. Iximche was once the capital city of the Chichicastenango Maya kingdom and boasts of 2 ball courts and several pyramid temples, all in a well-preserved and restored condition. Additionally, there's a small museum on the site that displays some of the historical artifacts found here.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other recent videos from 10 Minutes Travel, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.